Hello and welcome to our video presentation on why ChatGPT and AI are the future of search. In this 5-minute video, we will explore the capabilities of ChatGPT and how it is revolutionizing the search industry. So, let's get started. First of all, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer and is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, language model developed by OpenAI. It is a powerful machine learning algorithm that has been trained on a massive amount of text data to understand human language and generate text that resembles natural human speech. The internet has revolutionized the way we access information, but the way we search for information has remained largely the same. We use keywords to search for information, and the search engine returns a list of web pages that match those keywords. But with ChatGPT, we can interact with the search engine using natural language, like we do with humans. For example, if you want to know what is the capital of France, you can type that question into the search engine, and it will return the answer Paris. But with ChatGPT, you can ask the same question in a more natural way, like which city is the capital of France? And it will still return the correct answer. Let's see this in action. I'm going to ask ChatGPT a question. What is the best restaurant in New York City? ChatGPT, the best restaurant in New York City is subjective, as it depends on personal preferences. However, some of the top-rated restaurants in the city include Per Se, 11 Madison Park, and Le Bernardin. Amazing! ChatGPT was able to understand my question and provide me with an accurate answer. Let's try another question. What is the population of Brazil? ChatGPT, according to the World Bank, the population of Brazil in 2021 is approximately 213.4 million. ChatGPT is not limited to simple questions and answers. It can also provide more complex information, like the population of a country. Let's ask ChatGPT a more complex question. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? ChatGPT, the symptoms of COVID-19 can vary from person to person, but common symptoms include fever, cough, and difficulty breathing. Other symptoms may include fatigue, muscle aches, and loss of taste or smell. ChatGPT was able to provide a detailed answer to a more complex question about COVID-19. So, how does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT uses a process called transformer architecture to understand human language and generate text. It breaks down the input text into smaller pieces called tokens and then assigns a value to each token based on its position in the input text. When you ask a question, ChatGPT uses this process to understand the context of the question and then generates a response based on the patterns it has learned from the massive amount of. What are your thoughts on the role of ChatGPT and AI in the future of search? Please share your answer in the comment box below. Thank you for watching our video on why ChatGPT and AI are the future of search. We hope you enjoyed learning about the capabilities of ChatGPT and how it is revolutionizing the search industry. Don't forget to share your thoughts on the role of ChatGPT and AI in the comment box below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, be sure to check out OpenAI's website. Thank you for watching.